at Holz Handwerk 2026 in Nuremberg at KLEIBERIT stand, and I'm with Mr. Scherrenbacher. How are you doing?
Excellent. Today, excellent. The second day, and you see if you look around, the halls become more and more crowded.
That's correct. So I can see lots of presentation in your booth for can you tell me something which would be interesting for readers of wooden panel? Like I can see new edge bending for handicraft and industrial application. So what is the so special argument in Holz Handwerk?
What applies for industrial application applies for woodworking or carpenters the same. The world is more and more moving from thermoplastic Hotmelts for edge bending, EVA, to polyolefin, to PUR Hotmelts. The only point is the difference for industrial appliers and for handcraft people is that they don't have normally those sophisticated machine equipment which is preventing the reactive hot melt from moisture. They would like to have a reactive hot melt with high performance, good for normal edge bending machines. Good for normal edge bending machines means they are not used to clean the melting devices overnight when they stop working for overnight break. They expect a hot melt with pure performance but don't want to clean overnight their pots. KLEIBERIT 605.1.20 series now provides them what we call the overnight technology. That means it is a chemical reactive hot melt which reacts with moisture but is good for an overnight stay in a machine, in an open device. This makes the PUR hot melt very attractive to carpenters and small companies, let's say with not that sophisticated machines.
Okay, my second question would be new glue STP 605.1.20. What is so special that KLEIBERIT says it's worldwide available and patented?
Yes, actually this is a unique product only KLEIBERIT has. This is a product which combines the advantages of one component liquid PUR and one or two component liquid PVA, white glue. Yeah? You know, white glue contains water. You want to have a D4 exterior quality, you have to add either manually a second component, a hardener, yeah? Or you buy it with a hardener inbuilt with a short shelf life. Water-based, no water, and it includes the chemical reactivity of a liquid PUR, one component adhesive. The negative point for a liquid PUR adhesive is it foams due to chemical reaction. It does not contain water, but it contains isocyanate, and the isocyanate reacts with the moisture on the substrate or with the moisture from the ambience. And the side reaction of this is this adhesive is foaming. So if you do bonding with a liquid PUR, you have to press it to keep the joint closed, to stop the foaming, opening the joint. You need to press it until it is set completely. This adhesive is chemically reactive with moisture. It does not require a long-term pressing. It provides D4 quality. It has no water. It's 100% solid. So let's say a customer that has not to pay for water. You don't have to transport water, and the joint is not shrinking. If you have a product which contains water, this joint will shrink anyway, and it will swell by doing so also in this case, solid wood, the timber substrate. With this product, you have all the disadvantages of PUR or PVA eliminated, and you have all the advantages of PUR or PVA combined. So it is a plus product with almost zero disadvantages. And this is what it makes unique in the world, because it is as liquid as a water-based or one component PUR is. You don't need special equipment, you don't need melting devices, you can just use it as you are used to do for carpenters. Liquid adhesive are used.
So from the user point of view, it is super easy.
It's super easy.
Thank you so much.